One thing that I also want to talk about is compassion. This is important to me because last year I spoke at Veg Fest. I was asked to be a speaker at the Columbus Veg Fest. And, you know, it's not to diss the vegan community at all, but I feel like a lot of vegans are very aggressive and they're very mean. And so I told them in my presentation, I said, listen, it really starts with you. It's not just having compassion for the animals. It's having compassion for other people. I mean, that's where it starts. Because if you have compassion for the people, they're going to be more mindful of the actions they make when it comes to the animals and to society. So just because you're where you're at doesn't mean somebody who grew up, like I said, on a dairy farm is going to be at the same place. So you have to really have compassion and patience with these individuals. Professor Spira hit it on the nail when he said, you know, there's just too much aggression on social media where everybody's like, oh, well, if you're not a vegetarian, then I don't have nothing to say to you. You're not a part of our community. And it shouldn't be like that. It should be, hey, listen, this is what I went through to get to where I'm at today. It wasn't a cakewalk. My journey, for instance, was not a cakewalk. I tell people all the time, just to get off the meat took me over 2 years. Over 2 years to get on to a vegan lifestyle. It didn't happen overnight. And I fell back hard a lot. There were times where I would be not eating meat and being vegan and fasting, and I'd go back and I'd have a burger. And I'd feel horrible. I've been there, I've done that. So I have compassion for people when it comes to wanting to get into this lifestyle. And I take my time with them. And I tell them it's not a race. And it really does start with the mindset. And some people may not have means like we have. Some people can't afford the type of food that we can afford. Some people have a family of 5 to feed. So like I said, we all come from different backgrounds. So you really need to have love and compassion for other individuals.